Synthetic biology creating life from scratch. Introduction. Synthetic biology is an interdisciplinary field that combines biology, engineering, and computer science to design and construct new biological parts, devices, and systems. It goes beyond traditional genetic engineering by creating entirely new genetic sequences, synthetic organisms, and even artificial life. Scientists are pushing the boundaries of what life is by designing cells and organisms with novel functionalities. But can we truly create life from scratch? And what are the implications of such advancements? This article explores the foundations, techniques, applications, and ethical considerations of synthetic biology. We will also discuss how close humanity is to developing artificial life and the future implications of this rapidly evolving field. 1. What is synthetic biology? Definition and scope. Synthetic biology involves the design and construction of new biological entities that do not exist in nature. Unlike traditional genetic engineering, which modifies existing organisms by introducing genes, synthetic biology builds biological systems from the ground up. It merges molecular biology, bioinformatics, and nanotechnology to create novel solutions for medicine, energy, and environmental sustainability. Difference between synthetic biology and genetic engineering. While genetic engineering alters DNA sequences within an existing organism, synthetic biology creates new genetic circuits and artificial life forms. The field aims for predictable, programmable biological systems akin to engineering electronic circuits. Historical evolution of synthetic biology. 1. 1970s, recombinant DNA technology revolutionized genetic manipulation. 2. 2000s, the emergence of synthetic biology as an independent field. 3. 2010, Craig Venter's team synthesized the first artificial genome and inserted it into a bacterial cell. 4. Present, advancements in CRISPR, gene synthesis, and AI-driven bioengineering. 2. The science behind synthetic biology. DNA synthesis and gene editing. Synthetic biology relies on the ability to write and edit DNA sequences. Techniques such as CRISPR-Cas9 allow precise modifications, while gene synthesis enables the creation of custom genetic codes. De novo genome assembly. Scientists can now build entire genomes from scratch, assembling DNA fragments to form functional organisms. This process is key to creating synthetic life. Computational biology and AI. In synthetic biology, machine learning models assist in designing optimal genetic sequences, predicting protein functions, and automating lab workflows. AI accelerates discovery by analyzing vast genetic datasets. 3. Techniques used in synthetic biology. Bottom-up versus top-down approaches. 1. Bottom-up, assembling life from molecular components, e.g., synthetic cells. 2. Top-down, modifying existing organisms to create new functions. Synthetic gene circuit. Just as electrical engineers design circuits, synthetic biologists design genetic circuits that control cellular behavior. Genome synthesis and artificial cells. Scientists construct synthetic genomes and insert them into host cells, effectively creating new life forms. Biobricks and modular assembly. Standardized genetic parts, biobricks, enable the modular construction of synthetic organisms. 4. Applications of synthetic biology. Healthcare. 1. Synthetic biology enables the production of synthetic vaccines, gene therapies, and custom-designed microbes for drug manufacturing. 2. Personalized medicine benefits from synthetic biology by designing bacteria that interact with human microbiomes. Agriculture. 1. Genetically engineered crops with enhanced resilience to climate change. 2. Bioengineered soil microbes to improve nutrient absorption. Biomanufacturing. 1. Engineered yeast and bacteria produce biofuels, biodegradable plastics, and industrial enzymes. 2. Synthetic organisms replace petroleum-based chemicals in industrial processes. Environmental science. 1. Engineered microbes capable of breaking down plastic waste. 2. Bioremediation solutions for cleaning oil spills and removing pollutants. 5. Artificial life. How close are we? Craig Venter's synthetic organism. In 2010, Craig Venter's team created a synthetic bacterial genome and implanted it into a cell, proving that artificial life is possible. Xenobiology and alternative genetic code. Scientists are developing alternative DNA bases and amino acids, leading to the creation of life forms beyond traditional biochemistry. Minimal genomes and synthetic cells. Researchers have successfully designed organisms with the smallest possible genomes, paving the way for more complex synthetic life forms. 6. Ethical and philosophical question. Should humans create life? The ability to design life raises ethical concerns about playing God and the unintended consequences of synthetic organisms. Risks of biohacking and misuse. 1. Potential for bioterrorism or accidental release of harmful synthetic organisms. 2. DIY biology movements and their regulatory challenges. Regulations and global governance in synthetic biology. 1. Governments and scientific organizations are working on policies to oversee synthetic biology research. 2. Balancing innovation with biosafety. 7. The future of synthetic biology, emerging technologies and research. 1. Advances in nanobiotechnology, AI-driven design, and CRISPR-based gene circuits. 2. Synthetic biology's role in space exploration, such as engineered microbes for Mars colonization. How synthetic biology could transform human evolution. 1. Potential for human genome re-engineering and longevity research. 2. Integration of synthetic biology with AI and robotics. Predictions for the next 50 years. 1. Widespread use of synthetic organisms in medicine, industry, and environmental management. 2. Ethical frameworks to guide responsible development. 8. Conclusion. Synthetic biology is revolutionizing our understanding of life, enabling us to design biological systems with unprecedented precision. While the potential benefits are immense, ethical considerations and regulatory oversight are crucial to ensuring responsible progress. As science advances, we must carefully navigate the balance between innovation and caution, shaping a future where synthetic biology benefits humanity while mitigating risks. Subscribe.